How to reset Outlook password. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Outlook. Now open the first website. Now go to sign in. Tap on sign in. Now tap the email. Now type your email. Now click on next. So we don't have any password, so we'll click on forgot password. If you have the email access, tap on I have a code. If you don't have, tap on I don't have any of these. Now here you will type your email address where you want to get the email and tap on next. If you have the email, go back, tap on get code. Now wait for the mail. Open up your Gmail application. Tap on the mail. Now copy the code from here. Now go back to your web browser and paste the code here. Now tap on next. So you can now create your new password. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.